What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tia, and I'm back with another video. Yo, what is this piece of hair sticking up? Oh, look at that. My hair is sticking up. Girl, let me tuck that. Girl, tuck that. Girl, fix that. I don't even know. Oh, my edges. Oh, girl. That ain't cute. But anywho, now I'm gonna be worried about that part. Oh, sorry, y'all. Don't mind that piece of hair. Y'all, tell me how I call myself being so fast. I jump up. My sister got the kids and my mom got the kids. And I already had planned in my head, like, oh, I'm going to get up because, you know, this video I'm going to be doing oxtails. So I'm going to take y'all through the whole process of me getting the oxtails, what I get, what I use, and so on and so forth. So I said I figured I'll just make it into like a nice vlog or whatever. Anywho, girl, I jumped up and ran out the door, grabbed my pocketbook, but forgot I had used my wallet last night because I had paid Kaiser, gave him chore money. So I forgot that I took my wallet out my bag. Long story short, girl, I got all the way to my destination, which is about 20 minutes away from my house. Parked the car, getting ready to go in the store and start vlogging and all that before I go in the store. And I'm like, girl, you ain't got your wallet. So I had to go back home to get my wallet. Needless to say, or whatever the word is, I got my wallet. So I'm going to go in the store now, grab everything that I get. I'm going to get the oxtails. I'm going to grab some jerk chicken, oxtails, and all the ingredients that I use for oxtails. So let's go into the store. Take care. Y'all, I literally first I need to put my seatbelt on, so bye. 1 second. I got a car full of stuff, y'all. I literally went to get just oxtails. I ended up getting the kids a blanket set. Then I was just gonna go get some water from BJ's. Ooh, some water from BJ's. I ended up getting freaking excuse my language. I ended up getting kids snacks. Like, girl, get what you gotta get. And get, oh my gosh, I could never just go in the store. Y'all already know what it's like. I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one out there that will go in the store for a particular thing or two and come out with the whole dang on store and then some. Went to like 5 stores. I was only gonna go get stuff to make oxtails. I went to like 5 stores, y'all. Because I'm doing a video for, I'm doing an oxtail video tonight. So, I did good though, because I was going to go get me the, some McDonald's. And I said, girl, well, after you cook, get yourself a little light snack salad in the house. And then you can cook, you know, go from there. So, I did good and I'm proud of myself. So, right now, I am on my way back home, getting my children, giving them these comforter sets and, you know, do what I got to do. And then relax. I'm gonna cook, marinate my food, put it on, and then I'm gonna relax. So, excuse me. With that being said, I got on here just to show you guys really quickly my Bath and Body Works haul. I wanted to show you guys. Yes, I'm vlogging while I'm driving. Don't judge me. But I'm at a light. I got some wallflowers because I'm trying this new the air wick thingy. They said you can actually, instead of using the actual air, this is the air wick essential oil, this is the air wick essential oil diffuser. So instead of using the one that they come with, the lavender, which it really don't smell that good either, I'll probably just use that for something else, just randomly just burn it just to, you know, whatever. But they said that you could actually use the Bath and Body Works wallflowers, y'all. So I went to Bath and Body Works because I had to just try it. So I went to Bath and Body Works and got me some wallflowers so I could use in the diffuser. So instead of using theirs, you could actually, they said it works with the Bath and Body Works oils. So, because you know they have better scents. So people said their house smells so good. Go girl, go girl, go, go girl, go. Good Lord, good Lord. Can I go to Sonic? Girl, boy, whoever you are. Anyway, y'all. Sorry, I'll be going off. But I got the scent Wicked Apple. I guess they have Halloween names already, so I don't kind of like that it says Wicked, but I know that it smells like apple. So I got the Wicked Apple. They also had the sale, the dollar sanitizer sale, so I got a bunch of sanitizers to keep. I usually like to give these to my nieces and stuff like that. They're $1, so I said, girl, go ahead and go get you some and get them some. So I usually give my nieces little things here and there. So I got them all one little sanitizer. And I got me a bunch of wallflowers. So I got Wicked Apple, 1 cent. This next scent is Strawberry Pound Cake. It sounds like it smells good. So I got Strawberry Pound Cake. Another red light. Wicked Apple, Strawberry Pound Cake. I like fruity scents, y'all. I'll show y'all in a minute later or whatever. But I like fruity scents, so that's what I pretty much got, was just like fruity scents. I got two oil diffusers, essential oils, or whatever you want to call them. I got one for my bathroom and then one for my room. I just like to come in and nice scented, and then the vibe is set, you know, in my bathroom, in my room. So I definitely got two from Walmart. They were $9 each. They actually was $15 on Amazon, and I was like, oh no, you tried it. And then I said, see, let me go look on Walmart before you get this. Let me go look on Walmart and see if you can find it for cheaper. And then I wanted black. I didn't want the white one from Amazon. Amazon had only the white ones available. They have black available, but it wasn't going to be here no time soon, and I wanted mine like today. So I did overnight. I did the store pickup, same day pickup for Walmart, and they had them for $10. So I ended up saving money, girl. Saving money. So you guys can see I got some snacks in the back for the kids. I got some waters. I'm trying to stock up. Pretty much just stock up and get ready for the fall, winter school season. But at the same time, stock up just in case, because there's a lot going on with this whole new Delta thingy, y'all know what I mean. This new Delta variant. So I just want to make sure that I'm stocking up for me and the kids on canned goods and waters and stuff that we're gonna need. God forbid anything really happens that gets too hectic or crazy. I want to just be prepared. So you know, that's our job as mothers and parents. So that's what I'm doing. So I just started. I didn't really get everything that I want to get. I'm gonna do a whole nother video for that and show you guys. But I'm just telling y'all, because y'all probably see all this stuff in the back of my car. You're probably like, so that's what's back there. So I'm gonna do a separate video. I'm not even gonna get into what I got. I'll do a separate video explaining everything that I got, why I got it, and what I got it for, in another whole video. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys have your notifications on when you do subscribe, so you guys can be notified when I do upload that video and, you know, future videos from here on out. I appreciate you guys all so much for watching. I just enjoy filming, you know, not really putting all my business out there, but I just like to just vlog and kind of just do different things and just, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but I enjoy vlogging. I enjoy vlogging. I enjoy sharing our little, like, you know, our life with you guys, and just sharing cooking tips and mom hacks and just lifestyle stuff with you guys, you know. So I enjoy it. Some people probably like, oh my gosh, I should go on that camera, or I could never put my business out there, or that's you, this is me, and I just enjoy just sharing with y'all. I don't know. And it's also nice, the kids could go back and they look on the videos. They go back now and they look on all their videos from their channel, and they just go back and they watch the videos. So it's nice to just have for them.